Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to block unwanted contacts in Bright. Are you tired of receiving money requests or messages from people that you don't want to hear from? Here's how to block unwanted contacts in Bright. First, open the Bright app and go to your Messages or Contact tab. Find the user or contact that you want to block. Tap on their names to open their profile. Next, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner and select Block Contact. Bright will ask for confirmation, so go ahead and tap Confirm to permanently block the user from messaging you, sending payment requests, or from seeing your activity. The blocked user won't be notified, and you can always unblock them later from your blocked contact list under Settings, Privacy. This is a great way to keep your financial space calm, private, and under your control. Like, share, and subscribe for more Bright security tips made simple.